Good morning friends, it's me Nutan Dopande. Today we all are gathered here to conduct GD. Our GD topic is school life versus college life. I am in the favor of college life.
Hello friends, this is Radha Akhane and I am in the favor of college life.
Hello friends, myself Piyush Gungle and I am in the favor of college life.
Hi friends, my name is Ashutosh and I am in the favor of college life.
Hello friends, my name is Darshan Ronkar and I am in the favor of school life.
Hey there, that's Gurkant Chandile and I am in the favor of school life.
Hello everyone and I am in the favor of school life and myself Manisha.
Hello friends, I am Palak Patrakar and I am in the favor of school life.
So according to me, college life is the best life because students know the quality of what they are doing in their life. So they get maturity and know all the things what they are doing or not.
Ma'am, according to me, the school life is best because in school we acquire more knowledge in most of the subjects.
And ma'am, in school life means we can develop our skills, like means if we have skill, means if we are interested to play something or play means any game, so we can develop that skill, and means by that skill means our creativity increases.
But sir, in class 11th and 12th there is a sports quota and they are allowing you to play the sports. There is sports management and they are also paying you for the sports and every activities that you are having, and many subjects are there that you are.
I don't think so, because means in 11 12 means so pressure is there on us. We have to give the exams, like means tough exams like NEET, JEE and MPSC to make our career. I don't think so any person will focus on sports than to make our career.
No, sir. No, we can't say that they can't focus on the sports also. It's all about the mentality. What they want, they can do, sir.
But ma'am, in most of the colleges only education is there, not means sports is not that much taken in most of the colleges. But in institutions the sports are there. How can you say that the college means doesn't give you a sports?
Yes, ma'am. In most of the colleges, as I saw that in medical colleges, in engineering colleges, etc., they are conducting the sports and physical types of curricular activities for developing their skills and physical fitness.
Ma'am, but
Yeah.
it's particular to means some years, ma'am. Means it means very less. But in school means we have sport periods per week or 2 times a week. But in school that ratio is more.
Ma'am, I think that in college life what happen, some students are addicted to the drugs also.
But not all students are addicted now.
But ma'am, because of the drugs their future get damaged, ma'am.
Yes, and ma'am, means so pressure is there on means college life, means of a JEE, our mother father means they are giving so much pressure on us. So many students suicide also in the college life, and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ratio is increasing the day by day, ma'am. What's about it?
If students are not scoring more than 75%, so they have to give the donations. Not all, not everyone. So the capability of so sir, we can see here that the capability of student we can taste from it. So who is able to do or give lots of efforts in their exams, in studies.
Ma'am, but in the school life means we can try means many things new. Means if we try and fail in the school life, it don't matter. But in college life means our respect plays a main role.
Means we are also having, means in college life they are also having an opportunities to do many such activities. There are so much activities.
No, ma'am, our parents
We
don't
are
allow.
having marking on that. We are having marking on that. You can't say that we are not having an opportunities.
No, ma'am, our parents didn't allow us to means participate in the programs or to play the sports, because it's the turning point of our life. Means any parents will not allow their son. I guarantee you that any parent will not allow their son in 11, 12 to play any sport or do
Sir,
anything.
how can you decide that they should not play or not?
I am not deciding, ma'am. I'm just telling the opinion of
But
the parents.
you said that, sir, you give the guarantee that no, that parents will not allowed to go in curricular activities.
Miss,
So
can I-
no, sir. In my context, lots of my friends and my colleagues are doing other activities also with the 11th and 12th classes, sir.
And
Ma'am,
students'
these activities-
mindset depends on it.
Yes,
So,
sir.
ma'am,
It
this
depends
act-
on the mindset of the student.
So, ma'am, these
And you can't
activities-
say that we are not having opportunities. They can participate as well as they had to handle the studies as well as the sports activities. Means they can go through the sports activities and also through
With
studies
studies.
also.
So it's their fault, sir. They are not facing the situation. We should have to face the situation, sir. It's all about the mentality.
Most of the students in the college lead to the drugs and bad habits because of the pressure, peer pressure, and because of that this pressure of education and
School life is a foundation of our character. By the school life, our character is being formed. Means the habits parents give us, and means the teachers, teach us. So by that, our character is formed, our behavior is built, and our thinking power.
But sir, in class 11th and 12th, it is an opportunity to have a career. Means it is a steps of career. That means we will have a career ahead. And in class 11th and 12th, we are having good opportunity.
But
but
ma'am,
my
school
most of
li-
the
but-
but my most of the students like 11 12 means most of the students skip the college.
Yes, ma'am, they are taking the drop on 11, 12. They are taking the dummy admission. Means
we
they are
can't
not.
say-
Let me complete my point, ma'am. I think that they are not interested in the college.
This skill is
Our-
developed
college.
because
Let me complete.
The most of the students get the dummy admissions in the colleges for their preparation that they can give time for the competitive exams, sir. They are not doing time pass.
But ma'am, for strong building, the basis should be strong. So education means school days are very important for us.
Sir, college life is also important. Na? They know how what they are doing. They get maturity in that phase.
But ma'am, if means
In school
after
life,
the
they are not focusing properly in their career. In college life, they are focusing some more.
but means after the school life,
Yes.
they are not attending the means college life, and they become successful in their life.
Sir, I agree that they are taking admission in dummy colleges, but though they are giving the exams, means they are going for the practicals, they are going for the theories, and by this they are getting marks. And 11th mark sheet is always asking for the admissions or anywhere or degrees. Means if they want a proof that means you are means as an Aadhaar card, they are also means asking a 12th mark sheet.
But ma'am, what you say about donation, ma'am?
But ma'am, if you have to go in the college, you must pass first. Means school life you have to pass, and because of that we can't go directly to the college.
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, in class 11th and 12th means we had to do as means a self study. Means we are getting some experience of how to study, and it is means we can say that it is means a first step of our career or many things as we are.
Ma'am, in school life, we are like a flick mud. Means what we shape it, we become. But in college means we have already shaped. I don't think so. In college, ma'am, means no discipline is there. But in school, so discipline is there.
In some
How can
colleges,
you say that
discipline
there is no
also
discipline?
there.
Ma'am, some colleges, some, not every college. In
Yes,
every
ma'am.
school, the
And in
discipline is
school-
there.
And in school, the teachers
So,
and
sir,
most of the
not
schools-
every-
ma'am, most of the school taught the teacher. Sorry, most of the schools and teachers taught their children the manners and to respect the elders. That is, they taught the discipline, how to behave, and this most of the things. It's only happen in school. not
Ma'am,
in
many
college.
students are
And-
bunking classes also, ma'am, in college life.
In college
Yes.
life, you can't say that all the students are
Are
bunking
bunking.
the colleges.
Means, but
ma'am,
some are there. na.
Some students, it is just of 1%. You
No,
can't
ma'am.
say
No,
that
ma'am.
This is not a
90%.
ratio of 1%.
You can't.
Sir, we
This is
can't
a ratio of
decide-
60%. Ma'am, many examples are there.
So as you said, that means they can go through means many activities or anything. They are having means a career ahead. So they are means they are having stress, but they means you can't say that they are doing suicide. Means they are having some stress, but they had to handle. They are having the maturity in class means 11th or 12th at the age of 17. Means at least we are having some maturity. Yes.
No, ma'am,
So,
maturity
it's-
comes in 9th and 10th, ma'am, not in 11th, 12th. Means the people say that in you are still
But we
9th,
are
10th.
enjoying
Let me
9th,
complete my
10th.
point, ma'am. So, ma'am, we are enjoying 9th, 10th, but in college means the tension is there, ma'am. Depression comes to so many students.
That's the stage of our life that we should able or we should show our maturity here, and we should face it properly, sir. So
Means-
by doing this, we will grow in our life now.
Means we should have a daring to pass through this stage, and we had to handle this with proper manner.
But ma'am, according to me, means school life is important. There is no need of college life. We can successfully by
You
the school
can't
life
say
also.
that
No,
the
sir.
12th mark
But
sheet
in
is
school life,
there.
We can't decide we are successful or not. Sir.
And if you go for joining a job, then you require the degree of college.
Sir, in school life, we means live the stressless life. Means no stress is there, no tension is there, no responsibility there. Nothing is there. We can live freely and enjoy the life.
You can't say that the pressure is not there.
No,
The
ma'am.
parents are giving pressure for the marks.
No ma'am,
No,
this
ma'am.
not happen in the
But that
school life
much
ma'am.
means
So,
I'm the
so
parent.
it's the stage of your life now. So the school life is not it's not all about the stressful life, but in college life we have to face it. So that's the
That's why
good
so
point
much-
that we can handle the worst situation of our life, sir.
But ma'am, because of that pressure, I'm again saying that means most of the students are leading to the bad habits, and most of the students are doing suicide. 20% students. But there is the ratio, no?
No ma'am,
And
this
ma'am-
ratio is increasing day by day. ma'am.
Yes.
It's
That a per day
increasing,
one
but
student is
sir,
doing
it
suicide, ma'am,
matters
in
on the
college.
mentality, na sir. That person, it matters on that person mentality, na.
But ma'am, that mentally
If
comes from
if
the
that person is not able to or dare to he or she is not there to handle that situation, so it's his or her problem.
And ma'am, a dark side of a college is that they demand so much fees in NEET. Means 1 crore
no
40
sir,
lakhs is
not
there.
every government where the government
Ma'am, government college cannot fulfill the need of all students. Only
Who
1%
said-
students.
Who
But
said
if
you, sir?
he is having
Sir.
a good marks, if he had
The-
scored a
Ma'am,
good
in
marks,
NEET- in
in
NEET-
India, the government colleges gives priority first than the private colleges. So we can't.
Ma'am, from the in NEET, means 11 to 10 lakhs students participate at a per year. So
More
from
than 10 lakhs.
Okay, more than 10 lakhs, ma'am. I said 11 to 10 lakhs. So means more than that. So from that only 22 means 10,000 are selected. So ma'am, it's too low. Means it's
So
1%
that's
or
the
2%.
competition, sir.
So
It
they
is
had
called
to
the
hard work.
competition, sir.
Sir, but ma'am, what about the 99% students? They are been unemployed, na ma'am. So that's
But
a
they
dark
are
side of
giving
college.
Chances, na? They are giving chances if they are not able to, if they are not able in the first attempt, so they can give second and third and fourth attempt, sir.
But ma'am, what?
repeated
So
students
if
are
they
also
are not
there.
able, they can do other courses, sir. Also, the life is not ended here, sir.
Ma'am,
There are
means-
lot.
We
They
had
can do
to
business
try,
also,
try,
sir.
try.
Ma'am, business is.
But in school life, they are just do only one thing, that doing homework and lots of pressure of this.
No, ma'am, in
No ma'am,
school.
in school life there
It
is
is
no
just
pressure,
about
ma'am.
that go to school, write in a book and go back
Ma'am,
to
do you
home.
know the
eat
Steve
and
Jobs?
enjoy.
Do you know Steve Jobs?
School is just an enjoy.
Ma'am, do you know the Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple company? He dropped the college. He was college dropped. What about
So
it?
he is-
And
And
Elon Musk also.
and ma'am, in most of the cases, colleges are taking bribe. Means if a student is there who secured more marks, and if as we compare the another student with his he is not that much satisfied mark. If he is the children of a rich person, the colleges are taking the bribe from them.
And ma'am,
ma'am,
there are
sir,
many.
It was
percentage
held in,
depends.
it was held in about in the past years, but now it is not.
Ma'am, there are many person who is successful. They do not have the degree of college, ma'am.
Percentage depends, ma'am. You can't say that
And ma'am,
they are
degree-
taking a bribe. Because of this bribe means students are getting a loss.
And
Ma'am,
ma'am, we
They
are
are in a
giving.
loss, but though they are, it is just about a percentage. The
Ma'am.
student who have a good percentage, he is getting admission for.
Ma'am, in the means the degree of the college didn't matters because those are successful people in their life like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. So many people are there who are now successful in our life. Means Jeff Bezos, they didn't have any degree or means no name, means no
And-
name of degree is there before their name.
So, the college life, the degree is not important. There is one lady in our India that doing the means that reading. She is reading the
Magician.
mind. So she did not do schooling in her life. She studied about only I think first standard.
But
She is a
ma'am,
successful woman in So
But,
how
ma'am,
you can say
she is
that
just one ma'am, but the successful ratio is 2 more Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk. The most of the billionaires are there.
So
Means they
sometimes
didn't attend.
Experience depends.
Sir, we can't point out here only to college.
Ma'am, but means school life is
No,
a
ma'am.
foundation of our life. It is a base of our life. So we do that.
But college life also
College
the
life is
foundation.
not important that much.
But college life is the first step of the success.
Ma'am, means in school life are the childhood days, and the childhood days are the golden days of our life. We enjoy.
In college life, we can also, sir, we can do also.
No, ma'am, there is no enjoy in
but
college.
we
can
what we
enjoy
want
school,
is we
means
can do, sir,
enjoy.
we can enjoy in the every part of our life. But in school life, we are pressurized by our parents. That
No, ma'am, no pressure is there.
In the college life it is so ma'am.
So, ma'am,
Every
means
parent doesn't give a pressure on the student.
Yes.
Every parent is not
That's
same.
point
but most of the parents give now means if you are not doing the study in 11th
The
and let
parents
me complete my
are
point.
supporting their children. They are not giving a pressure. If the student is studying by their means, his mentality or he is working hard, the parents doesn't say that work hard. He is
Ma'am,
getting
parents
pressure. The
didn't
parent understands this because they is going by this phase, so that's why they knows that we doesn't have to give a pressure on the students. They knows everything.
Ma'am, but the parents don't give, but the relatives, their neighborhood, their friends, they always give the pressure on that
But
person.
parents take a side of their children. You can't say that.
No, ma'am, 80% parents didn't take the child, they give the pressure.
Parents
This is India, ma'am.
supporting their children.
No, ma'am, only just
Point was
20%.
added by ma'am.
You
And
can't
I want
avoid
to
this.
answer you. And I want to add that means most of the parents are not giving them pressure, but the point was that they are not enjoying in the college. As
They
compared
are
to
enjoying.
Sir, they
Who
are-
says
Ma'am.
that? They are not enjoying. They are enjoying in college life.
No, ma'am.
Picnics
Means-
are also.
means college life is very means you are saying that college life is important. So this is a wastage of time, ma'am. They are
Who
enjoying,
said-
ma'am.
Means
Ma'am.
enjoy is the wastage of time.
Means this is the stage of earning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So-
they are not
so
enjoying.
wasting
In class
time.
alone, you are
Early, I said that it's all depend upon the mentality. A person can manage everything: study, roaming here and there, sports, physical health, and as you said, they are not enjoying. They are enjoying also, and they are earning also. There are lots of people who are earning with college life. A person can do everything in the college life.
And they are having daring and they are handling each of these things means every side of
Ma'am,
the
no, 80% students means 90% students are not handling. That's my point. In college life, they just want to means for cracking the MBBS, IIT or the exams like chartered accountant, they want to study 18 hours. Otherwise, they are not passed.
So there is 24 hours in the day. They can
Ma'am,
manage
you had to
everything,
sleep
sir.
sleep hours as the basic
so
rule.
there is one basic or fundamental rule is that
To
the
sleep
two-
6 hours
6 hours is sufficient for the student.
and 18 hours study.
Yes, sir, but they can.
So no time is there, ma'am.
So it's not compulsory that they are doing 18 hours. It's not compulsory. Who said you, sir?
they are doing earning with learning.
Yes, ma'am. In school life also we can earn and learn.
No,
We
ma'am.
can also take the example, live example we can take in the class.
Parents are giving support up to class 10th. After the class 10th, they had to learn everything with the means their brilliancy or they had to work.
Ma'am, no parents most support in 11th and 12th because it's a turning point of our life.
Yes. What, sir?
You can't tell that parents only just support in 11th, 12th. You are doing means 11th, 12th by your own. You can't do that. The money the parents are getting.
The parents are helping. Yes, I agree that parents
should
are
agree.
helping. But you can't say that means they are just means they are not they can't handle everything. They can.
No, ma'am, you can't handle. You have to do one work. Means at a time you do one work now. Means by studying you can't do the physical activity.
Sir, you said about that in college life they have more pressure. But sir, if they don't take pressure, they will never get success in their life. Pressure is most important for them.
Ma'am, there is no quote on pressure to be a successful.
Ma'am said before some time that any person earn money before 10, but government made a rule that not any person earn money before 18 years.
Sir,
After
but
18 years, we
But
can
sir-
earn money.
Sir, in college also we are up to 18.
Yeah, that they can earn.
How?
But means
Freedom he
The
admission right.
student doesn't have maturity up to class 10. In
No,
11,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
in
the government-
17 or 18
Ma'am,
they are
ma'am,
having maturity.
Sir said that the government said that they have to work means below the age of 18 they can't. But after the 10 the age is only 17 not 18.
We are concluding the GD. So according to me, college life is the best life.
Ma'am, I must say that means by concluding the GD the school life is best life because it teaches us more.
Want to conclude that means yes is a first step of a turning point, but though college life is the best one.
I want to conclude that school life is better because we are interested in the school life.
After conclude GD, I think that college life is more best life because college open more opportunities.
After conclude the GDR, the both college and school life is a better.
Before we conclude our GD, I think that both are equal.
I think that means both college life and school are equal means to their position, because school life is to enjoy and college life is to do hard work and struggle. We means I think that they both are better on their place. Thank you.
Thank you.